Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 17, 2023. Very hard Sudoku. Column C, column D, 6th row, VO2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, VO2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, V of 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. 6th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, column F, we have pair numbers 1, 8 and 7. That 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. That column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J and 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. Column H, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, 2nd row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9, 10th row and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9, column B, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. First grid, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grid, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, column C, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.